Let's learn how to divide a whole number by a fraction. In this case, we want to divide 8 by 1/5. To understand this visually, let's first represent 8 as 8 whole units. Now, when we divide by 1/5, we're asking, how many pieces of size 1/5 can we make from 8 whole units? Let's see what 1/5 looks like. Here's a key concept. When dividing by a fraction, we can multiply by its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1/5 is 5/1, or simply 5. Let's see why this works visually. If we divide each of our 8 units into fifths, we'll get 5 pieces from each unit. So for each of our 8 units, we get 5 pieces of size 1/5. That means we multiply 8 times 5, which equals 40. To verify this makes sense, if we count all the 1/5 pieces we created, we get 40 pieces total. Each of our 8 units was divided into 5 equal parts, giving us 40 pieces of size 1/5. Remember the key idea. When dividing by a fraction, multiply by its reciprocal. This will always work, but it's important to understand why it works, as we've seen with our visual demonstration.